Yo, what's up, baby? This is Jon Belcher, aka Jadiscreet. As you may or may not know by now, the name Jadiscreet is my stage name because I do make hip hop music as well. In this video, we're gonna be talking about some real shit called how to make money with affiliate marketing, right? I think that's some real shit because if your ass wanna find other ways to make money besides a 9-to-5 job, or if you just wanna add a new income stream to your lifestyle, this is the video to make sure to watch, right? So first and foremost, I appreciate you coming to this video. Secondly, we're gonna be talking about affiliate marketing, how you can make money with it, obviously. And third, you already know, you see I got my camouflage combat hat on because we at war. We at motherfucking war. Don't you ever get it twisted to believe anything different. Who we at war with? Well, if you were part of the 300 to Freedom movement, then you know we at war against the haters. You know we at war against the naysayers. You know we at war against the fucking gatekeepers that's trying to keep us locked out. We at war. We at war. We at war against them jealous motherfuckers who trying to stop us. We at war against ignorant ass dodo birds out there in the world. So that's why I got on a combat hat in this video. I should probably go put on some fucking combat boots as well and put a fucking camouflage jacket on as well. But we ain't gonna do all of that, right? We're gonna get right into it though. You already know Forever Blessed is out now, the project. Leaving Your Phone, my new single is out now. Exoplanets is out now. Sativa Diva is out now. Moet is out now. Bet is out now. Real OGs is out now. I can go down the list. Yeah, but how to make money in affiliate marketing. First and foremost, we gotta dissect what is affiliate marketing. First, I'm gonna give it to you in my words, and then I'm gonna look it up on ChatGPT so you can see what ChatGPT has to say what affiliate marketing is. In my words, affiliate marketing is when you're affiliated with a company, you're partnered up with a company, and that company is willing to pay you a compensation or compensate you for promoting their products. So if you're affiliated with the company, that company may send you their product, you try their product, you promote their product through a link online. For example, they might give you a link. Most likely they'll give you a link online so you can promote that link online. And anytime a customer buys through your link, you get paid. As simple as that. That's what the fuck affiliate marketing is. Kind of similar to being a musician, right? It's kind of similar to being an artist because you're signed to a label, you're partnered up with that label, and when you sell your music, it's kind of like your music is the label's product, which is crazy to me, right? Because it's your creation, but it's basically like your music being sold is the label's product, and you get a percentage of your fucking music being sold. So I just gave you a generic explanation of what affiliate marketing is, and then one that has to do with music and being signed. Now, what I'm gonna do is, real quick, pulled out my handy dandy phone right here. 300 to Freedom, baby. 300 to Freedom. If you like my explanation of what affiliate marketing is, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe every time you comment on my videos. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Also, make sure to share this video with 5 people you know who could benefit from watching this video. After I go through the definition on ChatGPT, I'm actually going to talk about some ways of how to make money online through affiliate marketing. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT right here. I'm going to ask you right now, what is affiliate marketing? So you can get the formal definition. I'm about to read it to you right now. Y'all ready? I hope y'all ready. Yeah, I got the fucking hat on. We ain't dropping the hat. We at war. 300 to Freedom. We at war, baby. We at war. We can't let the haters win. If you're a part of the 300 to Freedom movement, we all about being relentless. We don't give a fuck what challenges come our way. We don't give a fuck what a naysayer gotta say. We don't care how much they doubt us. We gonna keep moving. We gonna keep chipping away day by day. We gonna keep laying the bricks brick by brick. We ain't never gonna stop. We ain't never gonna stop. I don't care who out there talking. We ain't never gonna stop. We ain't never gonna stop. So here's the definition from ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates, aka partners. It literally has in parentheses partners, right? For driving traffic or sales to their website through the affiliate's marketing efforts. Here's how it typically works. 1. Affiliate. An individual or company promotes a business's products or services on their own platforms, such as blogs, websites, social media, or email lists. So that's basically what I just said, right? That's what affiliate marketing is. Number 2, tracking. Each affiliate is given a unique link or code to track the traffic or sales they generate. Number 3, commission. The affiliate earns a commission based on the agreed upon terms, which can be a percentage of the sale, a flat fee per sale, or a payment for leads or clicks. Number 4, performance-based. Payment is based on performance, so affiliates only get paid when their marketing efforts result in a desired action. Example, a sale, a sign up, or referral, whatever, right? So affiliate marketing benefits both parties. Businesses can expand their reach and sales with minimal upfront costs, and affiliates can earn income by promoting products or services that align with their audience. Very simple, right? That's what the fuck affiliate marketing is. Now, how to make money with affiliate marketing goes back to the shit that I've been saying on my fucking channel for years and years and years. It goes back to the same stuff, the same framework of what I've been talking about, of how to build leads, how to generate fans, how to build customers, all that stuff. But essentially, you gotta know how to get traffic. You gotta know how to get traffic. You gotta know how to get traffic if you wanna be successful at affiliate marketing. Because traffic is what's gonna bring viewers to your products. Traffic is what's gonna bring potential customers to see your products. If motherfuckers don't have no clue what the fuck your product is, no clue what your service is, or how you can help them, or what you're selling, then how the fuck can a motherfucker buy that product, right? It's kind of simple to understand, right? So traffic is first and foremost, that's key. You gotta get traffic. Once you get traffic, you have to have a way in order to collect information from the interested traffic that sees your product or your service that you're promoting. So you gotta have a way to collect information from that traffic that sees what you're promoting. And the reason why that's so important is because that's how you're gonna be able to make more sales later on. Studies have shown, if you do your research, studies have shown that the more exposures that a person has to seeing a product or seeing a service or seeing a brand, the more the trust for that product, service, or brand increases. Studies have shown this, right? So the more exposures that somebody sees of the product you're selling or your brand, the more likely that person is to becoming a fan or a subscriber or a buyer or a customer, right? It's just like anything else. You don't just walk up to a woman as a man and say, hey, I want to have sex with you, right? You don't just walk up to a man as a woman and say, hey, I want you to be my fucking husband, and expect that person to do what you want them to do. It usually doesn't work like that. And if it does work like that, you probably should take your ass and run the other fucking way if it does work like that. Most times you got to see the person a couple times, maybe court the girl, take her out on dates, maybe have banter, you got to have conversation. But this multiple exposures is what gets somebody to get to know you, get to like you, and whatever the case may be, you guys can grow a relationship. It's kind of similar to how business works. You feel me? It's kind of similar to how business works. It's similar to how branding works. So how to make money in affiliate marketing is exactly that. Understanding that you got to collect data from a certain percentage of the traffic that you get, and then from there you have to have a process of connecting with those people who show an interest in your product that you're offering, right? You got to have a way. Now, the best way to make sales with affiliate marketing is to really brand yourself. Learn how to brand yourself. I have a training course called the 300 to Freedom Academy. If you want to learn step by step the ins and outs of how to brand yourself, how to develop a brand, how to collect leads, how to generate traffic, all the stuff I've been talking about over the years in my videos, I have a step by step, cohesive, extremely valuable training course called the 300 to Freedom Academy, which is going to teach you how to do that and position yourself as a credible brand on the internet. If you want to get connected with me to get access to that, all you got to do is check out the links in the description below. But anyway, yeah, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Keep it simple, keep it simple. Understand that your connection to your potential customers, your connection to the people who are seeing your stuff is what has to be built. That's what has to be built. 300 to freedom, baby. Like, I'm gonna just keep it real with you. I'm gonna kick it to you real. I'm gonna let you know how this shit works. Like, none of this bullshit. A lot of gurus online, a lot of people making money online, they more so like to focus on just being flashy and saying, oh, I made this much amount of money in 3 hours, and oh, I made this amount of money in 5 minutes. They more so have that approach, but that's really not what's gonna really allow you to make the money. That's just dangling the carrot in front of your fucking face, and a lot of people fall for this shit. A lot of people fall for that shit, unfortunately. A lot of people fall for the shit of the glitz and the glamour and all that shit, and that's why, the same reason why motherfuckers go run and sign a bullshit ass contract and they end up becoming depressed, is because they let these motherfucking artists shine the lifestyle in their face and shine the jewelry in their face and gave them the perception that, oh shit, everything is great. They're rich and they're making all of this money. It's not always the case. With everything that you do and everything that you want to be successful in, working your ass off is required. Working your ass off is a motherfucking prerequisite to becoming successful. I don't know which motherfucker twisted that story and got people to believe that they could just wake up in the morning and have money just fall into their lap for no fucking work being put in at all. I don't know what dodo bird motherfucker got a lot of people in the world to believe that, but that's not the case. It's not the case. 300 to freedom, baby. If you're feeling what I'm saying and you respect the realness and the truth that I'm sharing with you, all you gotta do is like this video, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you know about affiliate marketing, what you would like me to talk about in future videos, as well as make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you could be notified whenever I make videos like this. But yeah, that's how to make money in affiliate marketing. Another way of how you can make money in affiliate marketing is, if you may not have the following you want yet, if you don't have the audience size that you may want yet, what you can do is you can reach out to what's called influencers, right? Influencers on Instagram, influencers on Facebook. They have big ass fucking followings, right? They have a lot of people following them. And just because they have large followings don't always mean they know how to monetize that following. Just because they ass got mad people following them don't mean that these people automatically know how to make money with this following. So what you could do is you could hit up these people with these large followings, and you could say, hey, I got this product that I think a lot of people that are following you would like. All you got to do is promote this product. All you got to do is put this link in your bio or, on your page, promote this link on your page, and you'll get paid. I'll give you a percentage of the sales that you get. You could do something like that. You could partner up with multiple influencers, multiple people with large followings, have them go out there and promote the product, and you make money, they make money finally, right? Because just because they have a large following, some of them are broke. A lot of, I'll say a significant amount of them really don't know how to monetize their following. So what you do is you come to them with a business plan, because you're an affiliate of a company, right? And you come to them with a business plan and you say, hey, look, I got this product, I got this service. You want to make some money together? All you got to do is promote it, And I would still recommend you build your own following, right? I think that's still important, because God forbid the influencer decides, let's say you have one person helping you promote a product, God forbid they decide that they don't want to promote it anymore. Well, then now you just lost your income. So you don't want to rely that much on one person. You know what I'm saying? But there's so many ways to make money as an affiliate marketer. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I think the most essential thing, I'm gonna say the two most essential things in my opinion, I would say, is knowing how to get traffic and knowing how to brand yourself. I think those are the two most important things, because if you're a brand or you have a brand that people can trust, more than likely they may just want to try shit out just for the sake it's you promoting it. Just for the sake it's you promoting it. You know what I'm saying? Just for the sake of that. So yeah, without any further ado, that's how to make money in affiliate marketing. Keep it simple. Don't try to be extra complex. Don't try to reinvent the wheel if you don't have a clear plan of how that wheel should be invented. 9 times out of 10, it's best to just keep it simple and follow a formula that works. And one formula that I could tell you works is getting traffic, collecting information from that targeted traffic, and then building rapport with that targeted traffic. You know, and then you can promote directly to those people, as long as, let's say, they may be on your email list, or you may have their phone number. You have some type of contact information to keep them in the know of what's going on and how you can help them, right? So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to like, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to drop a comment below if you like this information, and also subscribe. We at war, baby. We at fucking war. I got my combat hat on, you know. I'm about to go grab the fucking boots. I'm about to go lace them bitches up, pull them shits, choke them shits by the laces. You know what I mean? Shit gonna be choked in my fucking ankle. You know, but we at war. 300 to freedom, baby. We at war with all the people who said we couldn't make it, all the people who said we couldn't be successful, all the people who try to keep us from getting our shine and our just due. We ain't taking that shit no more. You know, we ain't never gonna stop. We gonna always keep chipping away until we get to where we gotta get, because we getting rich, baby. That's what we doing. We getting rich. This is your boy, Jon Belcher, aka J Discreet. I love y'all. Make sure to check out all the links in the description below if you want to get connected with me. Peace.